Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rinse and welcome to another episode of Rinse's Kitchen. For today's episode, since I just got home from work, I'm going to cook something simple yet complicated. It is simple because it is easy to cook. It's complicated because it requires several ingredients. What I'm going to cook for today is chicken pastel. Chicken pastel is a Spanish dish. It is called Pastel de Pollo in Spain. In Spanish, the word pastel means cake or pie, while pollo means chicken. Because the original recipe of chicken pastel, after cooking the creamy chicken dish, you're going to put it in a baking dish and cover it with a puff pastry and then you bake it. That's the original recipe of chicken pastel. And because we are Filipinos and we love to eat rice, chicken pastel for us is like a dish we eat together with rice. These are the ingredients for chicken pastel. Chicken thigh fillet. We have green and red bell pepper, button mushroom, chorizo de Bilbao, Vienna sausage, potatoes, pickles, green peas, onion, garlic, milk, butter, carrots, and our seasoning. Now that the sausage developed crust, we can set this aside. Allow the chorizo de Bilbao to release its flavor. You can cut the chicken in a much smaller pieces than this one, but I prefer a larger cut. And this is the Vienna sausage that I cooked earlier, and I cut it into bite-sized pieces. We're gonna add this in the end. Now that our chicken, the potatoes, and the carrots are all cooked, we can now add the green bell pepper,